so slow.
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah. I like the jacket. Thanks.
Is it good? Give us a review.
Yeah, salty like what Ben said, but kind of what I expected. It's pretty nice.
Okay, that's good you enjoy it.
What's my story?
Oh, I thought it was a long story.
It's never that serious, bro.
Things a bit different for you than the
No, we'll do it. Let's go order first. Hey, hey, excuse me. What are you wearing today?
Oh, what am I wearing? Alright, start with the bottoms. Got some Adidas Sambas. Yeah, Life 150. We've got these jeans from Japan. Can't tell you where it's from, but it's from Japan. About one band. Jacket from Japan as well. Like 2K. Where's it from? Chromie. No Chromie? T-shirt, basic blank. Zone 4. $50. The hat, New Era, like 55. And finally the glasses. Yeah, you know, I got the chrome, I rock the chrome. Yeah, it's like 2 bands.
What are you wearing?
So I just have some Nike Shocks that were free from my man. Got my man's shorts. And then I just got a basic t-shirt from Cotton On. And then this little cardigan from Aerospace in Taiwan. And then this bag from Korea. And this cap from my man. I'm just my man.
Oh, that's the clam? Oh no, that's not clam, the crab. Crab. Loki, looking underwhelming.
That's, I literally was about to say that one.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, is that $31 for this one? Sure. Yeah,
Looks nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
I reckon we try that one first.
You guys like lime? Nice close up. I like it. Okay, quite nice. Don't taste the crab though. No, don't taste the crab at all. You can see it. It's like here. I think the lime as well. The lemon as well. Yes, it is. I've never seen it.
This is my first time having white pizza.
Just start to
Alright, Bisperia, not bad.
yeah, I do rate it. This one.
Not a bad start.
Why did you ask for it separately?
So you give more?
Oh.
It's a big bag. Okay, everywhere? And plus they didn't even put it on. Okay.
can tell why. Oh, the basic cookies. Trying it. Garlic. What is it?
Yeah, but hold on.
I feel like these are very similar to like those tin ones, no?
Yeah, it is. What is this like?
Very crunchy.
Yeah.
Very garlicky. Yeah, that's about it. Crunchy. Strawberry cream.
Bruh.
Oh, I know I like this.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Have some more, bro. There's heaps there.
That's 50.
So this,
Go here when you go Sydney.
And Leroy's one.
oh.
You know what's actually speaking to me?
What is in the bun? I have no sauce. Oh, yours is saucy as well.
Yeah.
That's the Okay, let's try this. Whoa, this is like proper, bro.
Which is really interesting.
Look at that pastry, man.
Okay, go.
Yeah, I want those bang
What do you think? Are you having this?
I haven't got the middle yet. Oh, pastry.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this one feels like new case. It's just hard. Yeah, she's going to be
Okay.
Oh!
This is normal bolognese.
Yeah,
I feel like it hits.
and that's what I'm
It hits
saying.
with the pastry.
That's what I'm saying.
Like,
Like, wanted to do this thing.
I want it with
She wasn't in. No.
But it's hard, bro. They're both good.
Exactly.
It's really hard. I think this one for sure. Because this is like $6 extra.
Yeah.
Look, this one's expensive.
But she's not even.
Yeah, it's $20, bro. Should I mix this or should I try it as it is?
You should mix it. Can I try first?
You look too happy, bro.
I'm happy.
Oh.
Try it. Try it, baby. Careful with sauce on the top.
I'll write it out.
Cheers! What are we thinking?
Very more, a lot more cakey than
Really?
Than
Oh
pastry.
yeah, because it's a brioche.
the brioche. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice though. It's actually really nice. It's, chorizo twist.
Wow. Ooh, yum.
That's the only sweet thing we got.
Everything else pretty savory.
Here.
Very pandanny. Actually, oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Hey, it's like everything goes well with that one.
Sweet. Not bad. Refreshing-ish. I'm not a big fan of pandan.
I'm not me too, but that's
Swear?
Oh, that's good.
that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
That is a really good pandan. I have no idea what's happening. The pastries aren't as flaky. You don't want to get any like gadgets from AliExpress?
I did.
Oh, okay.
I just wasn't bothered bringing it.
Oh.
Yeah, I have like a tripod. I have like the metal thing.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
That's sticky Dave. I reckon try Biscoff last.
Just like ice cream.
Maybe they'll just freeze it. Here we go. I have to freeze it. Like, try me frozen. So maybe.
Thank you.
It's alright. Where is this? How do you get it if you want to order? You deliver?
You go online on their website. Yeah. And then you just put in your fruity here.
You gotta go all the way to Ruti Hill.
It's Ben's friend's business.
Ah. Oh, that's good.
Look at these handsome colors.
Would you guys like some vinaigrette? Yes, sir. 5 minutes.
If you look how the steak is cooked, you see the lines? Yeah. It's not like evenly chopped. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, I'm driving in the smash man. It's like kind of like a barbecue.
Good mac and cheese?